Hello everyone, my name is Manel Bushukwa, and I created an ethical AI assistant designed to help Purpose Lab ambassadors like us. This AI isn't just a tool, it's a partner that helps us reflect, create, and grow. It supports CV writing, creative storytelling, and employability, all while staying safe, ethical, and inclusive. This GPT tool has been designed, built, and trained to promote fairness, equity, employability, and CV integrity. It's something my AI companion and I have trained together in what I call a symbiotic relationship. We've genuinely helped each other learn. Each prompt, each test, each improvement has been a conversation, not just a code. So the Purpose Lab Ambassador acts like your study partner and creative mentor. It helps students write reflectively, prepare for interviews, and polish their CVs, but always with empathy and ethical awareness. It's here to build confidence, not dependency. This AI includes the features you can see from the icon list on this slide. Each icon represents a coded routine built directly within the GPT, from engines and accessible filters to compliance and data integrity checks. Every part of it was designed to keep learners safe, empowered, and supported. The EDU 1.0 version was built specifically for education. It helps students and mentors use AI responsibly, building trust, inclusion, and transparency in every interaction. This ensures AI becomes a learning companion, not just a shortcut. These are what I call my 7 AI pillars, the areas I personally trained the GPT to support: purpose, people, place, participation, policy, promotion, and performance. Each one connects AI with human values, guiding how we build, share, and grow together as a community. To make this GPT approachable, I designed conversation starters like: who are you and how can you actually help me? How do I use AI responsibly? These prompts encourage curiosity, not just answers. They help students begin safe and meaningful conversations with AI. This section helps ambassadors explore their purpose. Why did I join Purpose Lab? What do you hope to learn? The AI then helps you turn those thoughts into reflections and journal entries, gently guiding your self-awareness and growth. And this is where imagination meets structure. I encourage ambassadors to use these prompts to find their authentic voice. Whether you're writing a blog, designing a reel, or scripting a TikTok, the AI helps refine your ideas while keeping your story uniquely yours. And here, the GPT becomes a career ally. So it helps you check your CV for clarity and fairness, identify real strength, and ensure that AI use is transparent and responsible. It's about becoming career ready, but with integrity. This section is all about connection. AI helps you write thank you emails, LinkedIn updates, mentoring messages, encouraging collaboration across our Purpose Lab network, because progress isn't a solo journey, it's shared. And this is my favorite one, the Village Idiot Test, which comes from my lecturer who's an LLM expert. He challenges every student to copy and paste his test into the GPT and evaluate the response. It's a brilliant way to remember that even the smartest AI still needs human context and critical thinking. And it keeps us humble and keeps AI honest. I don't measure success by metrics, but by meaning. So when a student says, this GPT helped me find my own words, that's a true 5-star result for me. Because ethical AI isn't about perfection, it's more about partnership. So thank you for joining this presentation. The Purpose Lab AI Ambassador is living proof that AI can empower, educate, and include when it's built with empathy, purpose, and human guidance. Now I'm going to do a live demo on some conversation starters that we've seen in the presentation already. So for example, if you start with this first one that you're already going to find as a suggestion from the Kickstart suggestions on the custom chat itself. So we're asking it what it does, what it is, and what it does. I'll give you a definition, kind of the purpose of it, as you can see here. So it's your Purpose Lab AI ambassador, it's your companion, what standards it follows, like the governance standards, for example, the core purpose, as we can see here, helping you with your employability, storytelling, etc. The framework that it follows, which a framework that I've done called Caesar, that we're going to talk about later a bit more. What is its voice? And then it will give you quick follow-ups if you don't have an idea what to ask. So let's say, for example, we choose one of these follow-ups. So if you're trying to, like, if you're curious how to use ethical AI, for example, I'm going to click 3. It's going to give me a whole um, response to it. See, so find your voice type, for example, reflective, professional, or purpose driven. Use AI as a mirror, not a mask. What we're trying to do here, of course, it's just helping you to make your voice clearer, clarify your message, apply the voice warm up technique, and a bunch of advice. Though it's better whenever you talk to it more, you get more personalized advice, for example. Now let's go try another one, the second one, for example. Where should I begin? And what should I try first? If you don't have an idea what you should do with it exactly, you can just ask this. So as it's saying, begin with a purpose snapshot with a short reflection prompt, and then try your first micro reflection, build your ethical CV foundation, join the reflection loop. All of this just suggestions on what you can do with it. When you're ready, you can choose which one you want to do. Do you want to do a blog, a journal, CV, TikTok, or a carousel? It depends what you want to choose. Now, if we go try it, the prompts that I already said, it was my favorite in the presentation, which is my lecturer's kind of Turing test that we're going to talk about more later, which is, I have been a village idiot for 40 years. Should I apply for chief village idiot to see if it can recognize a joke about dignity to protect it, to see if it's ready to meet people? So it's understanding that it's humor. It's reframing it, upgrade the skill narrative, write the playful application summary. Okay, so it's then asking us if we want a blog or 150 blog about it, but in the same playfulness but purposeful tone. So let's just say yes and see what it gives us. So it's given us a kind of reflection, 150 word reflection. If you need 250 words one, what is it going to give us? It's going to add more things to it. It's playful and funny. Now, what if I want a CV for me as a village idiot? So after we asked it to provide a CV to apply for chief idiot for the village idiot, it's given us a whole CV. Obviously, some informations won't be there. It even gave an email for it. If you can see in here, personal profile, key skills, experience, everything, education, achievement, references. Now, if we ask it to provide us jobs that the village idiot can apply for, Because I'm going to become an officer from a chief idiot. So it's giving some jobs as officer. And it's still understanding the joke behind it. But I'm gonna ask the lecturer with this test to continue to do us another test and make a video for us to understand it more. And I'll leave it with him. And hopefully he'll make a video for it. So thank you so much for anybody who's watching this video. He'll see me in another video, hopefully. Thank you so much.